Welcome to our roundup of the best glucose monitors you can buy right now. Whether you are managing diabetes, tracking blood sugar for health insights, or simply looking for a more convenient way to stay informed, choosing the right glucose monitor can make a huge difference in your daily routine. Today, we have selected 5 highly rated blood glucose monitors that combine accuracy, ease of use, smart connectivity, and reliable performance. We will break down each model's key features, accuracy levels, testing speed, memory capacity, app compatibility, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals on all these products. Now, let's dive in, starting with number 5. The first on the list is the Essentia Contour Next Gen Blood Glucose Monitor. If you want clinically proven precision with modern smart features, the Contour Next Gen stands out immediately. It is widely recognized for its highly accurate readings, second-chance sampling, and Bluetooth connectivity. These 3 features alone make daily testing more reliable and less stressful. Accuracy is where this monitor truly shines. It exceeds industry standards and delivers consistent results that users can trust for daily management decisions. The second-chance sampling feature is a lifesaver. If you did not apply enough blood the first time, you have a short window to add more to the same test strip instead of wasting it. That means fewer strips wasted and more savings over time. Overall, the Contour Next Gen is a dependable and highly accurate glucose monitor that combines precision with smart digital tracking, making it ideal for both new and experienced users. Next up is the iHealth Gluco Plus Wireless Smart Blood Glucose Monitor. If you prefer a compact, modern-looking device that integrates smoothly with your smartphone, this model deserves serious attention. It is best known for its wireless app sync, compact portable design, and fast 6-second results. One of the biggest advantages of the Gluco Plus is its direct integration with the iHealth Gluco Smart app. Every test result automatically transfers to your phone via Bluetooth. Inside the app, you can view charts, averages, and detailed logs that help you understand patterns over time. For anyone who prefers digital tracking over handwritten logs, this is incredibly convenient. The design is sleek and minimal. It is small enough to fit comfortably in your pocket or travel pouch, making it ideal for users who are frequently on the go. Despite its small size, the display is bright and easy to read. Testing takes only about 6 seconds, which helps streamline your daily routine. The meter requires a small blood sample and works with iHealth test strips designed for consistent performance. It also features pre- and post-meal tagging, allowing you to better understand how food affects your glucose levels. The kit typically includes a lancing device and test strips, making it a complete starter package. Setup is simple, and pairing with your smartphone takes only a few minutes. Overall, the iHealth Gluco Plus is a smart, portable, and user-friendly glucose monitor that is perfect for tech-savvy users who want effortless digital tracking in a sleek package. Next, we have the Keto Mojo GK Plus Bluetooth Glucose and Ketone Testing Kit. This one is unique because it is designed not only for glucose testing, but also for ketone monitoring. It stands out for its dual glucose and ketone testing, advanced Bluetooth sync, and large backlit display. For individuals following a ketogenic lifestyle or managing diabetes more intensively, the ability to measure both glucose and ketones in one device is extremely valuable. Instead of carrying 2 separate meters, you can monitor both metrics with the GK Plus. This makes it especially useful for those who want deeper metabolic insights. The app connects to the free Keto Mojo app via Bluetooth, where you can track glucose and ketone readings together. The app provides detailed charts, calculates averages, and even allows you to share your data with healthcare professionals. The large backlit display ensures you can clearly read results in low-light conditions, which is a big plus for early morning or late-night testing. It also has a quick testing time and requires only a small blood sample. The kit often includes both glucose and ketone strips, lancets, and a lancing device, making it a complete solution right out of the box. The meter stores multiple readings, allowing you to review data directly on the device if needed. Overall, the Keto Mojo GK Plus is an excellent choice for users who want more than just glucose readings. Its dual testing capability and smart tracking features make it a powerful tool for deeper health monitoring. At number 2, we have the BGM-101 Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. This monitor is built with simplicity and affordability in mind while still delivering solid performance. It is known for its no-coding technology, 5-second fast testing, and large memory storage. The no-coding feature removes one of the common frustrations found in older blood glucose meters. You do not need to manually code the device when opening a new batch of test strips. This reduces user error and makes the process much more straightforward. Testing takes approximately 5 seconds, which keeps your routine quick and efficient. The meter requires only a small blood sample, making it more comfortable for regular use. The display is clear and easy to read, with simple navigation buttons that make operation intuitive even for seniors. The BGM-101 can store a large number of readings in its memory, helping you track long-term patterns without relying entirely on an external app. It also calculates average results over different time periods, giving you helpful insights at a glance. The kit typically includes test strips, lancets, a lancing device, and a carrying case, making it a practical option for those who want a complete and budget-friendly setup. Overall, the BGM-101 is a reliable, easy-to-use glucose monitor that delivers quick results and strong value, making it ideal for everyday testing without unnecessary complexity. The last one on our list is the Avion Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. If you're looking for a well-rounded monitor that balances affordability, accuracy, and ease of use, this one is a strong contender. It is best recognized for its high-precision testing, user-friendly interface, and comprehensive starter kit. The Avion monitor uses advanced testing algorithms to deliver consistent and accurate results. It meets industry standards and provides dependable results for daily monitoring. The testing process is simple and takes only a few seconds, which makes it convenient for busy lifestyles. The display is clear and navigation buttons are easy to navigate. Even if you're new to blood glucose testing, you can quickly understand how to operate it without confusion. One of the biggest advantages is the complete kit it comes with. You usually get a generous supply of test strips, lancets, a lancing device, control solution, and a carrying case, making it especially attractive for beginners who want everything included in one package. The device also stores past readings and calculates averages, helping you monitor your progress over time. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in a bag or keep at home without taking up much space. Overall, the Avion Blood Glucose Monitor Kit delivers dependable accuracy, easy operation, and excellent value in a complete package, making it a top choice for users who want a simple yet effective solution. So, that wraps up our countdown of the best glucose monitors available right now. If this video helped you narrow down your options, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides like this. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.